Jai Ram Krishna. In this class, I explain torque and a dipole in uniform electric field. What is a dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated by certain distance forms a dipole. Let minus q and plus q are two charges. Their magnitudes are equal, but signs are opposite. Let distance between these two charges is 2a. They form a dipole, and dipole moment of this is represented by p bar, and is defined as the product of the distance between the charges and magnitude of the charge. This dipole moment is a vector quantity. Its direction is from negative charge to positive charge. The direction of p bar is from negative charge to positive charge. Let these are the two charges, minus q and plus q. Let the separation between these charges is r. Then force acting between these two charges is given by some constant of proportionality into q into minus q divided by r square. Then force acting on this charge is given by F by q, that is equal to k minus q by r square. This force acting on the charge is defined as electric field intensity. So, electric field intensity at this point due to this charge is given by this equation. Now, what is the direction of electric field intensity? Here, electric field intensity is also a vector quantity. If I place a positive charge between these two charges, the positive charge will be moving from positive charge to negative charge. So this motion gives the direction of the electric field intensity. So the direction of electric field intensity is from positive charge to negative charge. So if you take a dipole moment, it is from negative to positive. Electric field intensity is from positive to negative. So this is the relation among force and charge and electric field intensity. F is equal to QE. Now I define a torque. Two equal and opposite forces acting on the object that are not passing through center of mass gives a turning effect that can be understood using a physical quantity called torque, that is defined as vector product of r and f, that is nothing but r f sin theta, where r sin theta is the perpendicular distance between two opposite forces. Let us understand by taking one example. I am taking a dipole. Let this is uniform external electric field of magnitude E. It is in this direction. Now I take minus q charge here and plus q charge here. Let this distance is 2a. This is a dipole. Now the direction of dipole moment is from negative to positive. This is the direction of p bar. Let p bar makes an angle theta with e bar. This is angle theta. Now from this we can write the force acting on negative charge will be given by minus QE, and force acting on positive charge will be plus QE. If I only consider the magnitude, this is plus QE, this is minus QE. Magnitudes are equal, but they are opposite in a direction. If I extend this one, now if I resolve to a vertical and horizontal, if this is 2a, this component will be 2a cos theta, and this component will be 2a sin theta. Here 2a sin theta is the perpendicular distance between forces. Now torque of this forces on this dipole is written as tau bar, that is equal to perpendicular distance between the forces multiplied by magnitude of the force. What is the magnitude of the force? Q E. Rearranging the terms, I can write this as 2aq e sin theta. Now 2aq is nothing but dipole moment, so I can write p bar e, this is e bar sin theta. Now using a vector product, I can write this as p bar cross e bar. Now what is the direction of torque? Torque is also a vector quantity. You can apply right hand thumb rule. This is right hand. Place your right hand such that you can curl the fingers. You cannot curl the fingers like this. Now I place my right hand like this, and it is from P to E. You have to curl the fingers from P to E. Then thumb gives the direction of the torque. Now I can place like this also, but I cannot curl the fingers like this. So I place my fingers from P and curling the fingers from P to E, such that thumb gives the direction of the torque.